Hey guys, and welcome back to AppleTronTech. Today is a special day because I bought a new iPhone, the iPhone 8 Plus Product Red. I'm so thrilled. It's a very nice device, and I've used my iPhone 6s until now, but it became a little small and not so capable of optimal of the 2018. So bought this iPhone 8 Plus because I don't think the new iPhones is the best purchase right now. But this is, and Apple have stopped making these Product Red iPhones, so it's pretty cool because it's a limited edition now. Yeah, going to start the unboxing with the wrapping of this plastic. There you have the box. Slide this off. Here you see, put that away. Here you see Product Red poster with saying what the Product Red is about. It's pretty cool because Product Red works for against. They work for HIV and AIDS-free generation. That's pretty cool. So, I think 20% of this iPhone goes to this charity. So that's pretty cool. Here you also have other stuff. No stickers? No, I don't think so. Oh, yes, it's more inside. Yeah, here you see the Apple stickers. Should have been red, but yeah. Okay. There. Okay. That's that. Nothing much there. Now to the iPhone. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. That red color, man. It's so amazing, like Ferrari red. Now, the unwrapping. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, it's already on. There you have it. The red glass back. It's so amazing. Can't describe how amazing it is. Yeah, no headphone jack, but that's okay, because it's an amazing device. There you have the dual cam. Really nice camera, so yeah. And yeah, that's iPhone. Here, the rest of the box. There's a European charger that we use in Norway. Here we have the Lightning earbuds with the adapter to the audio jack. That's pretty neat. And here we have the charging cable. I have lots of those from the other iPhones I have, but it's okay getting a new one. Yeah, that's really nothing much more. This is the device, and be right back.
2,000 years later.
So now I'm finished setting it up and downloading all the stuff, and yeah. So it's a pretty nice device, and my case is also Product Red, and I think it's the best iPhone to buy right now, because the new iPhones is so so expensive and not so good. It's not worth the money, I think. So if you want a new iPhone and have an iPhone 6 or 6s right now, you should probably buy the iPhone 8 or 8 Plus. I hope you liked the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you. Bye.